Hello. To read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Short story 164, The Runaway Tuk Tuk. May lived in a bustling city filled with towering buildings and honking cars. Her dream, however, wasn't the city life. May longed for adventure, for fresh air and open roads. One sunny morning her dream took an unexpected turn. May worked at a small café, serving steaming cups of coffee and delicious pastries. As usual, she was cleaning tables when a strange man walked in. He wore a wide straw hat and a colourful shirt, a stark contrast to the city's usual grey suits. He approached May with a friendly smile. "Excuse me," he said in accented English. "Can I have a cup of your strongest coffee, please?" May poured him a dark, rich coffee. "Where are you from?" she asked curiously. "Thailand," the man replied. "My name is Lek. I'm here for an adventure." Lek explained his journey. He'd driven a bright yellow tuk-tuk, a three-wheeled taxi, all the way from his home country. A tuk-tuk. May had never seen one before, but Lek's stories filled her with excitement. He described beautiful beaches, lush jungles, and friendly people. "Lek," May blurted out, surprising even herself, "can I come with you on an adventure?" Lek raised an eyebrow. "You, a city girl in a tuk-tuk? It's not exactly a luxury car." "Oh, I don't care about luxury," May insisted. "I want to see the world outside these buildings." Lek studied her for a moment, then grinned. "All right, city girl, but be prepared for a bumpy ride." That afternoon, May packed a small bag with essentials. Saying goodbye to her surprised colleagues, she joined Lek at his brightly decorated tuk-tuk. It was smaller than she imagined, with a canvas roof and open sides. But as they drove away from the city, the wind whipped through her hair. May knew it was the perfect vehicle for adventure. Their journey began on quiet country roads. Lek pointed out fields of golden rice and quaint villages. They stopped at roadside stalls for delicious sticky rice and refreshing mango smoothies. May practiced basic Thai phrases with Lek, learning to say thank you and delicious. One afternoon they reached a small town nestled between towering mountains. Lek planned to drive through a scenic mountain pass the next day. But that night, a heavy storm rolled in. Rain lashed down and strong winds rattled the tuk-tuk. May woke up with a jolt. "Lek, look!" she cried, pointing outside. A large tree had fallen across the road, blocking their path. The storm had also washed away part of the mountain road, making it impassable. They were stranded. Lek sighed. "This puts a wrench in our plans." Undeterred, May suggested exploring the town. They found a cosy restaurant serving hot noodle soup. As they ate, May learned from the friendly owner that a local festival was happening the next day. The festival was a bright, vibrant celebration of local culture. People danced in colourful costumes, and delicious food filled the air. May and Lek tried skewered chicken grilled on an open fire and sweet, fluffy donuts. May even learned a simple dance from a group of giggling girls. While enjoying the festival, they met a young man named Kato. He was a local mechanic, and overhearing their conversation, offered to help them. He examined the fallen tree and the damaged road. "It will take some time to clear the road," Kato explained, "but I can get your tuk-tuk fixed." Lek and May were grateful for Kato's help. While he worked on the tuk-tuk, they spent time exploring the nearby mountains. They hiked through cool green forests and swam in crystal-clear waterfall. They learned about the local plants and animals from Kato, who surprised them with his good English. After a few days, the road was cleared, and Kato had finished repairing the tuk-tuk. It looked even brighter than before with a fresh coat of paint and new tyres. "Thank you, Cato," May said sincerely. "You saved our adventure." Cato smiled. "You're welcome, but remember, sometimes the best adventures are not found on a map. They're found along the way." Saying goodbye to their new friend, Lek and May continued their journey, their hearts full of gratitude for the unexpected turn of events. The detour had led them to a beautiful town, a vibrant festival, and a kind friend. As they drove off, May knew this wasn't just an adventure, it was the start of a lifelong journey. Vocabulary notes: general, bustling, very busy and full of activity, opposite of quiet. Towering, very tall. Honking, making a loud noise, like a car horn. Longed for, wanted something very much. Unexpected, surprising. Essential, very important and necessary. Food and drink: steaming, hot and giving off steam. Pastries, small baked goods like cakes or croissants. Strongest coffee, coffee with the most caffeine, strong flavour. Tuk tuk, a three-wheeled taxi, common in Southeast Asia. Golden rice, rice that is yellow when ripe. Quaint, charming and picturesque, often used for small towns. Sticky rice, a type of rice that is cooked with a lot of water and sticks together. Mango smoothie, a blended drink made from mango fruit. Noodle soup, a soup with noodles as the main ingredient. Skewered chicken, chicken pieces cooked on a thin stick over a fire. Donuts, sweet fried pastries with a hole in the middle. Travel and nature: country roads, roads outside of cities, often less busy. Mountain pass, a road that goes over mountains. Towering mountains, very tall mountains. Storm, heavy rain, wind and lightning. Lashed down, rained very heavily. Rattled, shook noisily. Stranded, stuck and unable to travel further. Cozy restaurant, a small, warm and comfortable restaurant. Festival, a public celebration with music, food and activities. Vibrant, full of life and colour. Costumes, special clothing worn for an event or performance. Giggling, laughing in a high-pitched way. Mechanic, a person who repairs machines. Examined, looked at something carefully to learn more about it. Crystal clear waterfall, a waterfall with very clean water. Detour, a temporary change in route, going a different way. Gratitude, feeling thankful for something. Story written by Google Bard AI, image created by Bing.com AI. To read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Hello, this is Steve. If you enjoyed the story, please would you take the time to leave a meaningful comment and click on the like icon. If you want to know when the next story has been uploaded, please click on the notify bell icon to be notified. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and tell your English learning friends so they can benefit too. Thank you.